Greetings, everyone. I'm so sorry you missed our program last week, but I felt like I wanted to share just a few insights that would help you out. I know life gets difficult and it is not easy to take a whole day off of work and life to take that strategic pit stop, but that's exactly what this workshop is designed to do. It's really designed for those who are ready to take a whole day and really think through and process those strategic themes that will help take their game to the next level. So, what are some of the top things that I always find valuable in this workshop, especially last week? Number one is helping people understand what it means to be in flow versus not in flow, contrasting those anti-flow moments and days to those flow moments and days, and really talking about the ingredients of what makes a flow-like experience and how to find that zone of high functioning. Top of my list is watching how people discover their own personal flow formula. Their distinct number of assets and liabilities that help them really think through, like, what's that one thing, that one area that would make the biggest difference in my work and life and play right now? And then, of course, what I always like to do is give the steering wheel to the client. My goal is that through this workshop, not only are you finding a process and a method for finding flow right now, but how do you coach yourself in the future? How do you identify your next one thing and your next one thing after that? To me, that's where you become fully empowered as your own best coach. So we'd love to see you again. So please sign up. We're going to set up cohorts as they sign up. We'll execute these events. We'll also do live events, but we do have our mini assessment. Take advantage of that. It's a free assessment. It's 15 questions. You registered for the program, so there's an interest in there somewhere. So take 5 or 7 minutes, answer those 15 questions, identify that one area that stands out for you. And then we offer a free membership. We have an entire library of books, articles, and resources and tools that you can use to leverage that theme. So take advantage of what we have to offer. Sign up for the next program. We'd love to see you there. And of course, if you have any questions at all, feel free to email me, text, or give me a call. We'd love to see you and have a great day. We'll see you the next time around.